In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Databricks to Power BI Desktop. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable connection so you can start analyzing your Databricks data right inside Power BI. First, open Power BI Desktop and make sure you're on the Home tab. That's where all the core commands live, and it's the quickest place to start any new connection. Next, click Get Data. This opens the data connection window, which lists all the available connectors. There are many options here, so don't scroll forever. Use the search box and type Databricks, then select the Databricks connector that appears. Depending on your version of Power BI, you may see it labeled simply as Databricks or as Azure Databricks. Either one is designed to help Power BI talk to your Databricks environment in a secure, optimized way. Now it's time to input the details and credentials for the connection. Have your workspace information ready. You'll typically need the server host name and the HTTP path associated with your Databricks SQL endpoint or warehouse. These values identify exactly where Power BI should connect. If you're not sure where to find them, your workspace administrator or the Databricks UI can provide those fields. And you'll want to copy them exactly as shown. When authentication is required, choose the method your organization uses and supply the necessary credentials. This could be a sign-in flow or a token-based approach, depending on your setup. If you're using a token, paste it into the requested field carefully and keep it secure. If a data connectivity mode is offered, pick the one that fits your workflow. Direct Query keeps data in Databricks and queries it live, while Import brings a snapshot into Power BI for faster, in-memory analysis. Your choice will affect refresh behavior and performance. Before you confirm, double-check the hostname and HTTP path for typos, ensure the right authentication method is selected, and verify that you have permission to access the Databricks objects you plan to use. Small mistakes here can cause connection errors later. After you submit the details, Power BI will establish the connection. You should see the Navigator window with available schemas, tables, or views from your Databricks environment. At this point, you're successfully connected and ready to explore your data model and build visualizations. And there you go. That's all. You went to the Home tab, clicked Get Data, searched for and selected the Databricks connector, then entered the connection details and credentials. With that, you're set up to use Databricks data in Power BI Desktop and start creating reports with confidence.